Hi everyone, welcome to my video about my crochet for summer of 2024. I'm gonna be going through a Pinterest board that I created, um, sort of outlining what I want to make in this time, and then I'm gonna try and make one project in this video, basically inspired by everything on that mood board, and I'm gonna give myself like 2 days to make it, maybe three if it gets a little slow, but hopefully two, because I don't want to. I want to make a lot of things from this board, and it's basically already the summer, so I just need to get started on that. Um, so I'm gonna go through the Pinterest board in a minute, and then actually before I show you guys the board, I have a project here that I already started that's kind of inspired by some of the things on there, except it's not really giving summer. And also, it's definitely going to take me more than 2 days. It's already been 2 days, and all I made was this so far. Basically, I'm making I think like a really cropped cardigan or like sleeves, bolero type of thing. But this is like one arm of it. And to be honest, this isn't really about part of the video, but I just wanted to show this because I love this yarn. Like I got this new black yarn with sequins in it, and it's so pretty. Okay, so yeah, so let's just get into the Pinterest board, and I'm gonna do like a little screen recording while I go through that. If I remember where the Pinterest app is. Okay, so here, or I'll put it on the screen, but I'm looking at my, well, technically I called it Spring Summer 2024 Crochet Inspo, but we're just going for summer at this point. Like, it's basically June. Um, and so I don't know, when I was making this mood board, I was like really interested in sort of like buttons and little like shiny things to add on, hence the sequins. And I also got like a lot of stripes in there and plaids. I really want to try crocheting a plaid. I don't know if I should do that in this project, but I want to do that eventually before the summer is over. And then honestly, lots of skirts and like crop tops and mini shorts. Those are really cute, and I kind of want to make a pair of those, so maybe I can do that. Or like bloomer type of crochet. I don't know. I'm kind of caught between making shorts or a sort of like puff top. Because I think both of those things are really cute and really summer. And you can kind of see like here, like I like the style of this top, the shape of it. I'm kind of leaning towards doing something like that. Um, but I don't know, maybe I should do the shorts. It's hard to decide. Oh my gosh, this one set from Samantha in Sex and the City. I've literally wanted this for so long, and I want to make a crochet version of this. That can be another video. So, but yeah, I'm not going to do that today because um honestly just because I don't feel like doing it today, and I think that will take more than 2 days. So, let's not do that. But I really like a top like this. Like I might take this as inspiration. I don't know, shorts or top. This top is really cute, so it's kind of giving top, I think. Like, I don't even really wear shorts, but like maybe I would if I had a really cute. Maybe I'll make shorts. I mean, like the bloomer. Okay, y'all don't need to hear all of this, but basically, like, I don't know, like something like this, except like not underwear, actual shorts. Well, the fact that it looks like underwear is kind of make is throwing me off. Like maybe, those pockets are really cute though. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with the top. I'm deciding. I've decided. Though my only question is, I know I just said a puff top, but I kind of like the stripes. I could do a combination like a puff and then like a little like tighter region and stripes. I'm gonna draw some things, um, come back to it, and get started on this project. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, so I'm back. I have my little sketch with me. I'll insert a picture so you can actually see it. But yeah, basically, I just drew like this little milkmaid top thing with like not a literal corset, but like a little tight fitting area. And then um like a fluffy part above that. And so I also got like yarn out that I think I want to use because part of this project or whatever I'm doing, I'm not trying to buy any new yarn for this. Like, I want to use some of the yarn that I already have saved up. So I just had to gather things that I already had. So basically, for like the fluffy part that I'm gonna be making, I'm making part of it with the knitting machine, and then the fitted part, I'm thinking I'm gonna do Tunisian crochet. So for the top part that I'm doing with the knitting machine, and I'll also do this for like the sleeves, I kind of want to use like this pink mohair blend yarn. Um, because I feel like it has the right, I don't know, thickness and like consistency. I think my only thing is it might end up being a little see-through, but I feel like because it's bunched together like by the bow in the middle, hopefully it'll be okay. So we're gonna see how that goes. And then I decided that I am gonna do stripes for the bottom part, but I want to do like a combination of black and navy. Um, so I have this like sort of shiny grayish black yarn, and then I also have this blue, navy blue one. This is like an alpaca blend, but it's kind of thin, so I think I'm gonna double up on this one in order to make it more match this. Hopefully that will actually work. We're gonna see in a minute. If it doesn't work, I will change my plan of it. But I hope it does because I really like this like color combination. I think it's pretty good, and I don't know. I love black and navy. Like, I know, controversial, I guess, but that's like a fire combination in my opinion. And then for the front, because I'm doing Tunisian crochet, um, it's not gonna be that stretchy, so which is good because this is supposed to be like fitted, but I need some way to like close it. So I was thinking in the front to add some buttons. So I have like these cute little like flower shell buttons that I'm planning to add to the front to make it close. So yeah, basically I think I'm ready to get started. I'm gonna start out with the Tunisian crochet um part and then probably do the knitting machine part later or when I get tired of it. Yeah, but I'm not gonna lie, this project does look like it may take me more than 2 days. But I'm still gonna go for it. We're gonna see what happens. It's currently 1:24 p.m. on day one. So I'm starting a little late. So I can give myself an extra day and that will be fine. But yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so my camera ran out of battery, but I wanted to give an update because it's about 8:30 on day one, and I have my progress here with me. Yeah, it looks pretty small, but don't worry, this top is not super huge. It's supposed to be a little summer top anyway. But yeah, I started on the back. Hold on, let me just. Okay, yeah. So basically, this is my project. I mean, my progress right now. I started with the back because I thought it would be easier to do than the front, just because I didn't have to deal with like the buttons and everything. And yeah, so it's going okay. I was kind of worried about like doubling up on this blue yarn. Oh my gosh, I don't know why everything's so tangled right now. Ignore that. I'm gonna fix it. But yeah, so I was right to be worried because it kind of got bigger than the black yarn, like this panel, because I didn't add any stitches here, but you can see it got bigger. But my solution to that, instead of just starting over and doing it correctly, I just kind of did looser tension for the next black row, and that seemed to kind of work. And I think it should be fine because this row is kind of on the waist, so it can just be more snatched, that's fine. And then I just have one more row until I start the straps. So hopefully I can finish this back part tonight and get started on the front a little bit, or else I'm definitely going to be way off schedule. Okay, so update. This is kind of where I'm at. I decided that instead of like stopping and adding the straps right after this blue stripe, I would sort of like start the black and add the straps in the middle of it because I felt like that would just look a little bit better. And so I'm about to start the first strap, but I'm struggling a little bit because I realized when I decided to do like this Tunisian like ribbed crocheting, I did not think about how to continue that rib onto the straps. So I don't know if like I should just do knit stitch for the straps and like have it switch, or if I should try to continue the ribbing. I'm kind of leaning towards continuing the ribbing, but the thing is the straps won't be that thick. So I don't know if that will look right. So we're about to see. Okay, so here's another update on where I'm at. It's literally like 3 a.m. right now, so I'm definitely about to quit for the night. Like my hand is kind of cramping, so I just need to stop. But let me show you guys where I'm at. So this is the back right now. Basically, I finished the main panel part, and then I did one sleeve, but I didn't do the other sleeve because I decided that I just wanted to start on the front instead. Like I just didn't feel like doing that. Um but yeah, this edge I'm gonna do like slip stitch into it so that it doesn't look so weird like that. But then here's my progress on the front. Okay, it's kind of hard to see because it's all the same color, but I've made like part of one side, and this is gonna be the side that has the buttons on it. Also, I made this a little longer because remember the back was too short. But let me just grab some buttons. Yeah, basically the buttons are gonna go something like this. I don't know. Basically, this is where I'm at right now. I think it's pretty good for day one. I just need to keep up my momentum, and I'll probably be able to finish in probably 3 days. I don't know if I'll finish this tomorrow, but we'll see. So, see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so it's day two, about 7 p.m. So I'm trying to show my progress. I low-key haven't filmed anything today, but it's kind of just the same. I'm I'm almost done with half of the front, but let me just show you. Yeah, basically I'm almost halfway done with the top, and like the buttons are gonna go here. My only problem is I did the strap and I made this armhole, but it's actually a bit small, so I'm gonna have to like take it out and add more rows, which might be good because I ended up just doing like half squares for this part because I thought that it would be too long. So I need to go fix that, and that's about it. I mean, I added like a little space in between here to go in the armpit. And yeah, I just need to get to the other side. Hey guys, okay, so it's like 3 a.m. on day two. I'm kind of tired. Um, I'm just gonna give my update for the day. Obviously, I did not finish in 2 days, but hopefully I'll finish tomorrow. So here's what it's looking like right now. I'm working on the second half of the front. I'm almost done. I kind of had wanted to get the final like buttonhole in today, but my fingers hurt. Like I'm done with it. So I'm gonna come back tomorrow. Hopefully I'll be able to finish everything up then. But I do have plans tomorrow, so I'll have to work quickly. I don't know. We'll see. But I'll definitely get it done the next day if I can't make it. Um, but yeah, this is it so far. I just like tied the buttons in using this random scrap yarn for now to make sure that everything looked right before I actually put them in. But it's like this like teal blue color. And honestly, I wasn't like actually planning to use it, but I kind of like that like added color and like the tiny pop. So I think I might use that when I actually put the buttons in. But yeah, this is how it is. It's at a point where I can like kind of try it on now. Um, but I'll show you guys a try on when I actually finish the other straps. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so very quick day three update. I honestly have not been able to work on it on the top that much today, but I did get the like blue and black part finished and I actually have it on right now. So I'm gonna turn around real quick and show you guys my progress. Okay, so I'm trying it on just like on top of this outfit that I already had on. And I feel like this white top kind of is in the style of the top that I'm making anyway, so it kind of gives a sense of what it would look like. Um, so yeah, I think it's looking pretty good. The only thing is the straps don't like stay tight enough, so I think I'm gonna probably add maybe some like slip stitches or something to sort of tighten it up there. Um, but yeah, I'm basically done with this part, and then low key, I kind of like it as like this harness thing. Yeah, I kind of like the harness vibe that's going on, so I'm thinking that I might make the other part like a separate top so that they can be worn like with different outfits and they don't have to be necessarily worn at the same time because I really like it over this white top actually. Um so yeah, I kind of want to keep it like that. Anyways, I'm probably going to start tomorrow on the pink top just cuz I don't really have that much time today, but happy that I at least got this done. Obviously, this is taking me more than the 2 days that I said, but whatever, it's fine. Okay, so I'm editing this video right now and I realized that I just did not like provide any context for what happened or even like an outro to the video. So I just wanted to jump in and say that I did not finish the second part of the top and I don't know if I'm going to finish the second part of the top. Um, but I kind of just liked it separately, so I figured I would just keep that part for the video and make that be like the top. So yeah, also I like finished it up and like made it look nicer. So I'm recorded another like try on of that. So I'm just gonna show that now.